No one is telling exactly how this video earned about $140,000 in the last 30 days with only 5,000 followers, or how this one made about $250,000 with just 8,000 followers. I couldn't believe it at first. Random kids today are making crazy money in a month, more than what doctors or lawyers make in a year, just by using AI on TikTok. So, if you haven't been living under a rock, you should be pulling in at least a few $1,000s a month from social media. I'm going to break down the exact blueprint for you, and if you can't access the TikTok shop due to country restrictions, don't sweat it. Later in this video, I'll show you a totally legit way to start this business from anywhere in the world. The first step is to do some research. I head over to a website called Data. You can start with their 7-day trial, and you'll instantly get access to the top products, creators, shops, and videos. This is simply the best website to start, period. It's instantly noticeable that people are totally obsessed with health supplements. These things are flying off the shelves on TikTok. So I move over to the product section and filter by the food supplement category. Lo and behold, the top product has raked in a whopping $5.5 million in just the last 30 days. I mean, who knew vitamins were the new gold rush? On the right, I spot the top 3 videos for each product. And guess what? In a quick glance, I see an AI video sitting pretty in the top 3. Looks like even the robots are cashing in on this supplement craze. Digging deeper, I fell down the rabbit hole of research, exploring the product to find more creators and videos. I discovered that the creator only started in March and has about 18 products listed, with this one being the standout hit. To make sure this wasn't just a fluke, I kept digging. The deeper I went, the more I found. One video generated 27K, another pulled in about 240K, and yet another made around 97K. Every time someone clicks the shop link in these videos and buys the product, the creator earns a commission. This research completely blew my mind, especially since these videos take 15 minutes or less to make without ever showing your face. I'll show you the workflow next, and the return on investment is incredible. Even if you have to hire someone to make the video for you, it's totally worth it. This creator, Stellar Health, has multiple videos for this product that have done really well, proving 2 things: the importance of researching the right products to sell and the value of consistency. But let's say you've created the video, what's next? That's just half the battle. You probably have more questions than answers about monetization, like how to deal with the 10K followers limit on TikTok. As someone who has run a successful print-on-demand business on TikTok for over 2 years, I can tell you that you need a solid system in place. If you are a subscriber to my channel, you know how much I emphasize affiliate marketing as a way to significantly boost earnings. So, I thought this idea would be a great example to start a brand new business. I'll post updates in the coming weeks on the income I generate using this method. Stay tuned. The really good thing right now is that we're still pretty early in the game, and there isn't a lot of competition due to the program's availability only in certain countries. Because of this, TikTok is enthusiastically promoting videos that generate revenue through the TikTok shop. The second step is to set up a TikTok shop before creating your TikTok account. Yes, you heard that right. This clever workaround lets you bypass the 10K followers requirement, allowing you to start monetizing from day 1. Once you create your account, follow the steps listed in TikTok Seller Central. Don't worry, you don't need to add a product right now, and you can select individual instead of business for your tax information. This step does ask for uploading your license information, etc. So make sure you provide accurate information. After completing the steps, connect your shop to your TikTok account by scanning the QR code from your phone. The third step is to create my script. No need to reinvent the wheel. I'll just repurpose what I know works. Since I picked this product, I use a video with about 3 million views and export the script using the tool. With the script copied, I head over to ChatGPT and use this prompt. From experience, I know starting with a negative hook works like magic, so I'll make sure to include that. After setting it up, I paste my script and let ChatGPT do its thing. Here is the final output that GPT came up with in response. The next step is to generate images for each line of the script. I'll instruct ChatGPT to break down each line into a scene and create a visual for each one. Once it has all the descriptions in place, it seeks my permission to start generating images. I can tweak any scene interactively here to make some adjustments, but I don't want to drag this out in the video. So I'll take a pause and finish this up. Alright, I'm back. Once I'm satisfied with all the images, I'll put them together in a separate folder. Next, I need to find and download some product videos. I'll search for the product on TikTok or YouTube Shorts and try to find a video without a lot of text on it. Then, I'll use Snaptic to download the video and keep it with my images to use in the next step. I have a winning product, a stunning script, and eye-catching visuals. Now it's time to bring everything together into a masterpiece using InVideo AI, my go-to tool for converting scripts into amazing videos. With just a click click, it handles everything from voiceovers and background music to subtitles, saving me a ton of time. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a coffee break. You can sign up for InVideo AI using my link in the description to snag some sweet discounts. I'll dive into the workflow to create a video from my script. First, I'll choose some catchy background music and a male American voice that doesn't sound like a robot. I'll also pick a subtitle style that doesn't scream 1990s karaoke. You even have the option to clone your own voice. Check out the video link in the description to see how. Then, I let the tool work its magic. Once the workflow is complete, I'll quickly play the video to see how it looks.
You're missing out on your true potential. Listen up, folks. Every one of you should be taking ashwagandha for a bigger cucumber, sea moss for increased muscle mass.
I'll tweak the subtitle styles a bit to get the perfect look and then move on to the next level. First, I click the edit button. Here, I find all the stock footage and its related highlighted script. I like to set each stock footage clip to last no longer than 2 seconds because, as you know, the attention span on short-form content is like that of a goldfish. After making these changes, I'll upload my media from the folder and start replacing the stock footage with my own AI-generated images. You can also tweak the script by clicking on Edit Script at the top. For example, if I want to enhance my hook, I can add something to the beginning. When I hit apply, the AI tool will automatically readjust everything. These edits are super handy and save time. Now it's time to configure my images the way I like. If some of them don't quite hit the mark, I can search for a few replacements in the stock library. Once I'm happy with everything, I apply all the changes, and there you have it, a video ready to capture attention and drive sales. Let's see it.
Feeling tired and unmotivated? You're missing out on your true potential. Listen up, folks. Every one of you should be taking ashwagandha for a bigger cucumber, sea moss for...
I already like this, but I'll still go ahead and apply some final touches in the next step. The fifth step is to give the video a little extra jazz using my favorite tool, CapCut. I've already imported the video and sprinkled in a few effects. This step is all about keeping the audience hooked. Think of it as adding sprinkles to an already delicious cupcake. You'll see the difference once we hit play. Now, if you have followed the steps to create and link a TikTok shop to your account with me, you'll see a shop button on your TikTok profile. Below the shop link, you'll find a button to take you to the TikTok shop where you can add your products. First, go to the product marketplace, search for sea moss by Clean Nutra, and add it to your list of products. With my video ready, I can hit the bottom of the screen to upload it. I'll make sure to provide a catchy caption and relevant hashtags. When uploading, I can choose the product by clicking Add Link, then Product, and select the product I added earlier. Now, when the video plays, a shop button will be displayed. If someone clicks it and buys the product, I'll earn a commission from the sale. It's like having a digital lemonade stand, but way cooler. Now the glaring question is, how can anyone start this business in a country that doesn't support TikTok Shop? Don't worry, I've got you covered with 2 simple options. Option 1. Sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Instead of using TikTok Shop, link your products through Amazon. Most of these products are probably chilling on Amazon anyway. It's like swapping one cool club for another, but with Prime benefits. Option 2. Partner with someone in the US and split the profits. It's like having a business pen pal. Even for someone like me, who doesn't have much time on my hands, partnering up for business growth and expansion is exciting. So, join my Discord server. I'd love to hear your ideas and success stories. We can share tips, tricks, and maybe even some memes. One thing I definitely avoid is buying US TikTok accounts. That's a one-way ticket to legal trouble, and no one needs that kind of drama. Stick to legit methods and keep your entrepreneurial journey smooth and stress-free. Make sure you keep an eye out for new content coming from this channel. Soon I'll post an update on how this journey is progressing and share any further successes I encounter. And until then, stay hungry, stay foolish.